All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, let's go and make a reaction to Skusta Kli Kalimutan Ka official music video. Alam naman natin na merong mga controversial sa relationship ni Skusta before, yung past relationship niya. So we do not know kung sino yung pinapatamaan niya sa kantang ito. And let's go watch and make a reaction to this. This is a new song created by, Skusta Kli ba yung gumawa nito? So let's go watch and make a reaction in this video. Okay? All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Kalimutan ka, Skusta Kli. Whoa. Rockstar yung dating ni Skusta. Yeah, man. Rockstar.
Pilit kung kinakaya na bumangon mag-isa sa kama. Kahit ginawa ko na
that. That's it, guys. Kalimutan Ka by Scooster. Hindi ko alam kung compose niya ang song na to. Pero most of the time, yung mga ginagawa niyang song is composed by him naman. So, galing talaga dito yung mga lyrics na gawa na song ni Gustas. Scooster Click. Pero hindi natin alam na kung sino yung pinapatamaan niya. So, siguro, maybe, hindi pa talaga siya totally na naka-move on doon sa past relationship niya. Yung a person who is living with somebody else na. And maybe siguro masakit sa kanya kasi meron kasi silang, I think meron silang meron silang anak. So, parang hindi pa talaga completely naka-move on si Skusta. Kasi yung mga song niya is parang nag-convey ng message yung song. If you change your mind, then andyan pa din siya. So, there's still a percentage in his heart na willing pa siya na mabuo ulit yung relationships niya sa past. And overall, maganda naman yung song. Galing talaga sa puso yung song niya. And the best, guys. I know that this person is a very talented person. And meron lang talagang controversy or meron talagang mga hindi pagkaunawaan sa relationship niya, past relationship niya, which is also, that's normal. But you know what? It's very artistic. Okay, when you put your emotions on the things that you do, you what do you call this, you are putting your emotions to the song. Bam, it brings a good outcome. That's what it is, because when you put your passion to the things that you do, put your emotions to it, and there is a sense of parang may buhay yung song. No, ganun talaga. No? And you see it, and then you feel it. Parang ano talaga pinapatamaan si Acoustic Lee. I love this song. I love this song of Acoustic Lee, and I enjoy watching it. And so that's it, guys. That's it for my reaction. Okay, thank you very much for watching.